independently. You need to run this for each the data. That is a correlated nested query. Also, this is a general join the query. Okay. Contains is another set operation, whether this is this. Okay, this is a subset. Okay, subset operation. Whether this one is they include the output of this one. If yes, then this employee will be returned. Okay, that is the contains the operation. Exist means whether output is exist or not. Yes or no. For example, here when we run this, okay, dependent SSN is ESSN. Okay. First name is the dependent name. If there is any dependent from this query, then this employee will be returned. Exist means if there exists output of this one, then will be returned. This query used a lot, the exist. Not exist, it means the opposite of the exist. Okay? This is already mentioned before. Null. Null, we cannot use this one because we cannot compare null with other data. Only is null. Whether this is null or not, or is not null. We have two operations only for the null. Is null or is not null. Okay? Be careful. Some of the DBMS use the super SSN without any data, single quote.
You can do that.
Okay? So you can use, it depends on the DBMS. Some of the DBMS support that, but this one is recommended. Is not or is not none. Okay. So join condition, we already learned. So this is the traditional way. When you join the table, project join with the department with the join condition. And when you join the another table, join with the employee on this join condition. Then you can put only the selection condition in where clause. However, most of the query use the contemporary way is only the table name the from clause, and this one move to the where condition. Okay, that is more popular way and easy to understand. But the problem, it's not problem, issue is sometimes it's hard to represent outer join, left outer join. So upper join. So the traditional way is easy to represent left outer join. Instead of the join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. You can specify. However, if you use the contemporary way with this one, not easy to represent. At that time, we can use plus sign. For the, if you want to keep the null data, at that time you can put the plus sign. Okay, couple of more minutes. So next, aggregate function. So you should be careful when you are using the aggregate function. It should work with group bind. Okay? So group bind is, do you remember the grouping factor and aggregate function? So this one goes to here, this one goes to here. At that time, one more thing, the grouping factor should exist on the selection. Why? You should know the count, one. Which count of this? Is it the specific project which project, P1, P2, you should be able to know. Okay, because it's not in the database, it's from the query. So this group by factor should exist in the select clause, SAPs. It was the error if not matched recently, but the latest version of the DBMS actually allow without this. Okay, but you'd better have this one to here to recognize, identify which group is that. Okay. Last one, heading. The query 22 is for each project. For each project, it's a group. And which more than 2 employees work and retrieve the project number and so on. It has the project, for each project, who that has the more than 2 employees. Okay? That condition is supposed to be where condition, but not in where condition. Why? How can you count the number of employees for each department? Can you count before grouping? No way. Should be always after grouping. Okay? So, any condition after grouping should not be in the where clause. Doesn't make sense if this condition is in the where condition. It's after grouping, then check whether count is more than 2. That makes sense, right? So, heading include a condition after grouping. Okay? This is another mostly frequently confused. Okay, so on Thursday we are going to have the third exercise a lot. So at the time you will practice more the advanced query. Then next week we will learn the database. Yes.
So even instead of this,
You can leave.
so you keep saying like